I often hear that a chrome socket is not good for impacting, but what if a cheaper chrome socket outperforms a impact socket? Like this set here from Menards, which cost $45. It's discontinued, and this Neiko set of sockets costs $60. But look, the cheaper chrome socket outperformed the impact socket, Neiko. And when I contacted Neiko, they did not want to warranty it because they said it's an old logo and these sockets were not covered under any warranty. I posted a video of me taking off a 38mm lug nut. Even though the impact wrench kept slipping in the socket, he still managed to take it off. CP 7762, my favorite 3/4 impact wrench. So this destroys the myth that chrome is not good for impacting. If you have a cheaper chrome set that outperforms a more expensive impact set.